Importance of jurisprudence. Why study it? Jurisprudence is an important branch of legal study because it explains the basic principles of law. It helps students, lawyers, and judges to understand the true nature and purpose of law. The importance of jurisprudence can be explained as follows. Jurisprudence is studied to understand the basic principles, concepts, and philosophy of law. Understanding the nature of law. Jurisprudence helps in understanding what law is, why it exists, and how it operates in society. It explains the meaning and scope of law. Jurisprudence, however, is the science of law. It is a much broader field that investigates the nature, origin, and development of laws rather than just application of rules. Clarifies legal concepts. It explains important legal concepts such as rights, duties, justice, and punishment, possession and ownership, etc. Jurisprudence is making law easier to understand. It helps lawyers understand the logic behind concepts. Improves legal reasoning. Jurisprudence develops and improves logical thinking and legal reasoning. It helps law students and judges to analyze legal problems more effectively. Helps in interpretation of law. Judges use principles of jurisprudence while interpreting statutes and deciding cases. It provides guidance in understanding the intention of law. Jurisprudence helps judges to look at the spirit of the law, which helps them to interpret ambiguous statutes. Universal study of law. Jurisprudence studies general principles of law, not the law of one country. Its concepts like rights, duties, justice, liability, ownership apply to all legal systems. It is not limited to Indian law, English law, or any specific country. Jurists from different countries have contributed to jurisprudence, showing its worldwide character. Helps in development and reform of law. By studying jurisprudence, defects in existing laws can be identified, which helps in law reform and improvement of the legal system. Foundation of legal education. Jurisprudence forms the base of all other branches of law. Without understanding jurisprudence, the study of law remains incomplete. Critical thinking. It trains students to ask why is this the law, rather than just what is the law. Conclusion. Thus, jurisprudence is important because it provides a theoretical foundation, improves legal reasoning, clarifies concepts, and helps in the development and interpretation of law. Jurisprudence is often described as the eye of law or the grammar of law. It does not focus on specific statutes, like the law of contracts or criminal law, but rather on the fundamental principles, theories, and philosophy that underlie the entire legal system.